Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing John Rutledge House Inn. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, parking on site, facilities for disabled guests and a 24-hour front desk. This Charleston, South Carolina hotel was built in 1763 and has been restored. The rooms feature free Wi-Fi. The College of Charleston is within walking distance of the hotel. At the John Rutledge House Inn, guest rooms include a flat-screen TV and a DVD player. Every room includes a sitting area and robes. A refrigerator is also available in each room. The John Rutledge Inn offers a daily continental breakfast served in the guest room, the ballroom or the courtyard. The hotel provides free afternoon and evening drinks. A 24-hour concierge service is also available. The Medical University of South Carolina is minutes from the House of John Rutledge. The South Carolina Aquarium is a short drive from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.